What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to change your password on PayPal. Now I'm on mobile PayPal, but this works for PC or desktop as well. So once you're on your login screen and you want to change your password, you're going to hit the forgot password right below the password button. Now if you're not on the login screen and you just want to change your password, don't worry, this is the fastest way as well. It's just easiest to just hit the forgot password and then change your password from there. Then once you've hit forgot password, it's going to have you do a confirmation code sent to the phone number linked with your PayPal account. It's just going to send you a quick code and then you have to enter it in to confirm that it's really you. As you can see, I just typed in the code right there. And then it takes you to this screen here where you could simply just change the password. They make it really simple. You just have to verify with your phone number. And then from there, you could create a new password. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you had any questions or were confused at all by this tutorial, don't hesitate to leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, be sure to read the description and also subscribe. Thanks for watching.